Hey friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today is my 16th day of my experiment. My current balance is, as you see, 2019, and the goal for the day is to reach, as we check from the table, 2297, which is 10% of our current balance. Now I'm using disciplined approach to grow my account step by step. Let's dive into details. Many traders fail because they trade randomly, placing 100 here, 200 there, and end up losing their deposits. So my approach is different. I have a clear goal and balanced distribution, as you see on this table. Let's clear. And we trade, each trade like consists of 1% of that day balance, and the goal is to make 10% of deposit daily, and I'll stick to the plan no matter what. So I use today stochastic oscillator indicator with periods of 90 and 10. Here you can see 90 and 10, and moving average is the EMA. So to identify the overbought and oversold zones, here how it works. Overbought zone is above 90, which is a red line. We look for sell opportunity. For oversold zone, below 10, and we look for buy opportunities. I trade on basically like on OTC markets with a 15 time frame. Like each candle expiration is 15 seconds, and also 15-second expiration here. I mean this one. So the key is to start 1% of the balance, which is 20 and 93 cents for today, and adjust the trade based on the balance distribution table, which is we have here 2093. Okay, if the trade doesn't work out, I'll switch to another currency pair immediately to avoid emotional trading. So realistic goals, like if you think with the trading, like we start with the starting balance of 500, you can aim to withdraw 500 and start trading with 1000. From there, making 100 a day or 3000 a month is achievable. The key is to avoid greed. Don't try to make millions a day. Stick to the plan, minimize risks, and let compound growth work in your favor. So let's look for opportunity. We open for sell here. So our first trade is successful. We hit as a green here. We look for another opportunity. We go for second level. And we don't forget to switch to initial position for our each trade, and let's look for opportunities again. I don't know why it's lagging, but it's not good for us because we cannot identify impulse if it like keeps lagging. We open sell because we see here it's on overbought zone, but let's wait how this candle works out. So we got a win on this trade, and we look for opportunities on another currency. Let's go to another currency. We opened for buy because it was already oversold zone, but let's wait how this candle works out. Sometimes the graph could change its direction. I mean, there is no 100% strategy like winning trade. And like thank to God first. For the second, we got all our trade thanks to this system, which we call it like risk management, or someone like others call it martingale strategy. So we got our trade in this too, and we look for another pairs to diversify the risks. And it's already uptrend. It's too risky to enter trade, so we don't open trade on the up like trends mostly. We opened for sell because candles started to move down with this indicator too, but if not, we have our recovery amount ready. We opened another cell, looking at the indicator, and we got our trade on this one on our second step. So also we don't forget to switch to initial amount. We see here it appeared uptrend, we don't go against trend, but let's see how this candle works out. After this candle we can decide. We open for buy because it looks like it will go up, but wait for the end of the candle and we see how it works out. So our analyze was correct and we got our trade too. We open for sell here because this candles could seems like weaker for uptrend, and we open for sell for here. Okay, we prepare recovery amount. So it keeps lagging too much today, I don't know why, and it's dangerous for us, for our balance, because we look for opportunity based on impulse mostly. That's why we need to be careful. We open for buy because we saw it like started uptrend, but let's wait until the end of the candle, and we got our trade too here. I think this will be our last trade on this session, and we will hit our daily goal. Thank to God, we hit our daily goal on 10 consecutive, like 10 successful trade. We had to hit 22.97, which is 22.97.65 cents. That's 65 cents more for today, and I'm really happy, thank to God. And I will hit as a green for today's goal. And also guys, just don't forget to stick to your plan, and also if you want to like use this platform and make money, I put the link in the description and on the comment pinned below. You can go and register and start your trading journey using my strategy, 10% a day. It will be you will never forget how this feels like working from home. So friends, today we successfully reached our goal, thank to God. That is $2,297.65. Remember, discipline and strict adherence to the rules are the key to success. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy trading. Peace.